All right, I'm going to be working on the bridle of the horse and I hope the mane of the horse today. That's the plan anyway. I'm going to put a conch on here. There we go. Put another conch on. All right, I just made the buckle that will be for the adjustment of the height of the ring for the snaffle bit. My hands are probably going to be in the way, but I'm making the buckle for the this strap. I can't remember the name of it. Go. See, I've got to smooth off that strap. There we go. put some holes in it. Whoop, there goes my buckle. All right, I got the buckle for the strap on this side, the adjustment strap. Making the holes, and you probably won't see me doing it because my hand will be in the way, probably. This is part of the bit that goes into his mouth. Okay, I'm going to take some paint that I had mixed up for me to match the clay color so that I can blend this ring into the color of the clay, so that when people look at the clay, which more than likely will have to be viewed before they can purchase it, they won't be asking, why is that a different color? All right, I don't know how they're going to make a mold of this bridle bit. I just assume they can. I could try to fill in behind the ring where it hangs away from the face, and I might try that, see what happens. All right, I got to go clean my brush, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm putting a piece of clay. I don't know if I can. I may have to do a little jury rig in here. This is going to be the leather that the rain is going to be attached to. I'm going to have to do a little research as to how that rein was attached to this piece of leather. I'm not a cowboy. I just, I don't know how things work. The only reason I knew what to do with this bridle is because I watched a great video on YouTube last night by a gentleman who showed how to adjust the hackamore. He actually had a buckle up here that would adjust the height or something. I don't know. But anyway, I'm just going to get back to work on it here. You're going to try to fill in behind the outside part of the ring with some clay. There you go. Well, that's the start of the bridle. I mean, the mane. I'm running out of time. Had a late start today. Okay, I like that. This gives me a good start on the mane of the horse. All right, that's going to have to do it for today. Got kind of a late start. I was on the phone with the hospital. And that took some time today. All right. That's going to be it for today. I'll pick this up Monday, and I got 2 doctor's appointments tomorrow, so I won't be here. I'm going to recheck the size of these ears. I think they're okay, but I don't know. I just want to check them and make sure I'm gonna not like a mule or anything like that. All right, everybody, good night. Have a great weekend. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.